Hey guys, it's Bill and Steve Fishing Adventures. Today we're doing another video at our local lake. We're going to be trying to catch some carp.
What day is it today, Bill?
Today it's Boxing Day and no one's here, so we're not going to get any noise in the background. So yeah, enjoy. Also, now we've got two sets of carp fishing stuff. And if you're wondering, one of them our friend gave to us because he didn't do carp fishing anymore, so win-win. So guys, we've been here for 2 hours now, and an hour now, and we've got another 2 hours to go, so hopefully we can catch a fish in that 2 hours.
Shortly after Bill's just said about could we get in, he's into a fish. Let's hope we see what it is pretty soon. There we go, Bill. It's a carp. Now, one of Bill's Christmas presents that he had yesterday was some new rigs, and we've got him set up with a chog rig on this one, and it seems to be working well. Bill, pull it to the side, keep it away from the other rods. There we go. That's it. How's it feel like, Bill?
Feels pretty good.
I'll get the net and we'll get it in. Okay? How are you doing? Right, reeling a bit. Well, we'd just had a bit of a quiet spell, and Bill has got another one. Another nice looking common. Bill's played it really well. Just need to make sure we don't lose it in this last bit. Let's get it in. Come on, Bill, lift him up. That's it.
You've seen it.
Yeah, it's all right. Pull him. You've got it, Bill. It's all right. Just hold him.
Look how much.
I know, your rod's really bending. Go on, don't let him go over there. Put some side on it.
He's actually pulling some line out.
There you go, Bill. This one's a bit bigger, I think. Seeing the net, he's gone. Go on, lift him. Don't let him slack. Let the line go slack. Come on, Bill. You got it. That's it. Lift it. Go on. Whoa! Go on, Bill. Lift him. There we go. Come on. Up you get. Come on, Bill.
He's really fighting. Video, guys. But today we've been fishing for blennies, and this is what we've been using to try and catch them, and we've just been doing it for fun. We're going to release them. We didn't film the ending yesterday because of the phone ran out, but that's the end of the video. Like and subscribe for more.
Let's release your blennies into the pool then, Bill.